A fresh new path.
What?
Come on.
All right, all right, all right, all right, all right.
You really looked just like my husband when he was young, and you're just as good at making people happy as he is.
That's fate, isn't it? I've always treated you like family. To tell truth, I don't get along with my own mom.
If I had a hardworking and capable son like you, I'd be at ease. By the way, didn't you mention last time that you might switch companies? Are you really busy? Your dark circles look even deeper.
Yeah, I'm really busy. But no matter how busy I get, I'll never ignore your stuff. Even though I'm switching companies, of course I'll bring your account with me. I'll personally take care of it for you, no matter what. Oh, and lately, I've been helping you set up a new life and medical insurance policy.
A new one? But I already have an old one, don't I? So that means I have to pay for both?
Hey, I've thought about it for you. Just cancel the one you have with my old company. Don't let anyone know. It's because I care about you I'm telling you this. Get a new policy. I'm recommending this new life insurance with my new company because its dividend plan has higher returns and better coverage. I had to tell you about it.
So will I lose any of the original coverage I had?
No, 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 you'll actually get even more coverage than before. Just sign your name here. I'll handle everything else, so you don't have to go through the hassle of filling out the English forms. Right here.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
That's right, and you also need to sign here at the back.
Oh, I always say I'm lucky to have you these past few years. I've seen so many people my age who didn't buy insurance. When something happens, they have to go to public hospitals, wait forever, and it just adds to everyone's burden.
That's why you really have to take care of these things.
Not everyone is as lucky as me. Last year, when I had angioplasty, I did it at a private hospital, and follow-up visits after discharge didn't cost me anything. I'm lucky to have you helping me.
A lot of people aren't as lucky as you. Just sign here at the very end, and that's it. All done. The wound is healing pretty well. Remember to get plenty of rest and come back for your follow-up appointments on time. Okay?
Decker. The surgery is done. It went smoothly. Is it absolutely the same as last time? No need to pay anything at all? You've settled everything with the hospital, so I can just get discharged like this, right?
Long time no see. Back on the school bus, you always used to tell me off for not being able to sit still. Remember?
Of course I remember, Dyson.
Yeah. Is there anything I can help you with?
Thing.
If it's something to do with insurance, my brother actually tells me a lot about that stuff. Maybe I can help you out. Yeah, that is indeed right. Got it.
What's going on?
Hey, your insurance friend. Did they tell you that your insurance doesn't actually cover this bypass surgery you're having in the hospital? Actually, it's not just the bypass. Looking at your bill, anything related to cardiovascular diseases is considered a pre-existing condition by the insurance company, so it's not covered. That means you won't be able to claim any money for it.
No way, that can't be. Last time I had angioplasty, I got the payout and it was all covered. This one should be covered too.
Wait, there are two policies.
Yeah.
No way, are you truly serious about this?
It's just a misunderstanding. Actually, it is covered.
Your old life and medical insurance policy really does cover heart disease, and you only have 5 more years to pay. After that, you can withdraw the cash value from the account to use.
Yeah, that's about right. I'm planning to use it as my retirement fund.
But you cut off that old policy. For this new one, you start saving cash value from scratch, and you'll pay for another 20 years.
Oh no.
Hey, calm down, calm down. Take a deep breath.
You.
Have you ever heard of the Insurance Authority?
No, what authority? I don't know anything about that stuff.
This is the Insurance Authority's website. They will investigate any intermediary misconduct. I'll help you fill out the form now. If you still can't resolve things after contacting the insurance company, I'll help you email the form to the Insurance Authority. While they won't help you get your money back, if there's enough evidence for disciplinary action against the intermediary, it might help you negotiate with the insurance company about next steps.
The surgery cost over $400,000. I had to use up most of my life savings, and I still have to pay for 20 more years of life insurance. I really don't know what to do from now on. Miss, I'm begging you, please help me talk to the insurance company.
Miss Lee, based on your age and education level, you are considered a customer who requires special attention. According to our guidelines, the insurance company is required to conduct a post-sale confirmation call with customers like you who have purchased life insurance. So, may I ask if you have ever received a call from the insurance company before?
Yes, I have.
Did they clearly explain the details of the policy to you?
Oh, what they said was so long-winded. Honestly, I didn't really understand what they were talking about.
Did you tell them that you actually couldn't understand what they were saying?
No, I didn't. I told them I understood everything clearly.
Then why did you say that?
Honestly, I never really understood this stuff, but they told me, if the company calls, just say you understand everything clearly, and it'll all be sorted.
Ms. Lee, we reviewed your insurance application and noticed that the financial income listed there is quite different from what you told us. Do you know what you actually filled in? Your insurance agent, Pang In Chun, helped you fill it out. Did he explain to you the differences in coverage and exclusions between the new and old policies? For example, your cardiovascular disease is considered a pre-existing condition under the new policy and isn't covered.
I've never heard about that. It's our own fault for being too honest. From the very beginning, you shouldn't have mentioned what illnesses you had, and that's why you're not covered now.
Of course not. Disclosing your medical history is the right thing to do. If you hide it and manage to get the policy, when you file a claim, the insurance company will check your medical records. If they find you didn't disclose important information, they can refuse to pay, and it could even make your policy invalid. So, when applying for insurance, never think of hiding anything.
I want to go to the bathroom.
Hey, it's me, Yenjun. How are you? You seem to be doing pretty well after your surgery.
You're one to talk. I've been trying to reach you for ages and couldn't find you, and you never reply to me. I'm so crappy that I don't even know how to calculate the money. Do you have any intentions?
It's not a joke. Well. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm very sick, so I'll be here first. Why don't you come?
Sit.
Yes, there is something wrong with my lungs.
Is it a big deal? Doctor, please tell me.
I didn't want people to worry, so I didn't say anything special. But I think I still need to rest for a while before I'll be okay. By the way, I wanted to ask, did you meet with people from the insurance authority?
Yeah. Someone told me I could reach out to them.
All right, so here's the thing. Right now, the situation is a bit complicated. For now, just don't say anything to them yet. Once I'm better, I'll help you handle the insurance stuff. Okay?
Okay. You should get some more rest.
All right, we'll talk again later. Bye-bye.
Miss Lee, I want to ask if you have any text message records between you and Mr. Peng.
He isn't always free to meet me, so he usually sends me messages to talk about the insurance policy.
If the investigation finds Mr. Peng integrity issues, then the insurance company.
Well,
Yim Chun doesn't have any integrity issues. He's a good guy. Please don't go after him.
we're not going after him. We just want to help you based on the facts. Why don't you show us your conversation records first?
No, I don't have it on my phone. I remembered it wrong just now.
Cindy, Peng Yinjun is coming up today.
He was supposed to, but he said he caught the flu and needs to reschedule.
Once you set a new time, let me know, please. Peng Yinjun is coming up today.
He was supposed to, but he said his old leg injury flared up again, and he fell when going down the stairs, so he needs to postpone.
Let me know when the new date is set, and make sure he provides a doctor's note. So Peng Yinjun is actually willing to come up today, right?
He was supposed to.
What happened this time?
Yeah, something happened, but not to him, to his dog. The dog for 10 years suddenly passed away. He's heartbroken and needs to arrange the funeral, so he has to reschedule.
Did you confirm it?
Did you confirm if his dog really died?
What if he's just lying to buy time?
No one would use something like death as an excuse, right?
Look, sometimes being optimistic is a good thing. But if he thinks the insurance authority's meeting request can be postponed indefinitely, then he might find a way to slip away, and that'll end up dragging down the whole case. You should pass this to Alex to follow up. He knows how to handle situations like this.
Hey, she's a real beauty, you know.
No one has come yet, right?
Let me help with the restroom first, okay?
Yeah, coming.
Let me take care of the restroom first. Thanks.
Questions? Contact me. We're fully cooperating with insurance authorities' investigation.
Thank you so much for your cooperation. Well, let's wrap it up for today.
This way, please.
Thank you.
Hey, hold on. It's all Achin's fault. Because of her, the insurance authority is making this company dig up all the old records for review. All right, what about Chin? I'll keep her in check. She won't say anything reckless. As for the authority, I don't think they'll pin anything on me. Okay.
I'm Lam Pak Yen, Senior Manager of the Regulatory Affairs Department at the Insurance Authority. May I ask, are you Mr. Pan Ying Chun?
Yes, that's me.
The Insurance Authority asked multiple times to assist with the investigation, but every time, before the meeting, you have something and can't make it.
Well, I really do have things to take care of.
I want to remind you that if someone requested by the Insurance Authority to assist with an investigation is absent without a reasonable excuse, that's actually against the law. From what I can see, your current health and mental state should absolutely allow you to attend the interview. Please make sure to attend on time tomorrow, according to the appointment notice we sent you.
All right then, may I leave now?
If we still can't arrange a meeting, we may have to inform your company that you've repeatedly missed appointments with the Insurance Authority. That's why we're asking them to help and personally arrange for you to attend. I don't think you'd want to get others involved, right?
Ms. Lee Suk-Van's case is a policy replacement, but it seems you didn't follow the guidelines for long-term insurance policy replacement to clearly explain to her, when selling the new policy, the impacts and risks involved in switching policies.
I did follow the procedures, I did explain.
But she said she didn't know that her cardiovascular disease would be considered a pre-existing condition and therefore not covered.
I did mention it, but she just doesn't remember.
So did you also clearly explain to her the financial impacts caused by the policy replacement? Then why would she cancel a policy with only 5 years left and buy a new one for 20 years?
The returns are higher, so she has more hope for the future, right?
Also, according to the Important Information Declaration, Ms. Lee signed the policy replacement statement without knowing the details, and all the information was filled in by you.
It's not that she didn't know about everything. Every single word was written because she asked me to help her, but she just doesn't remember.
Mr. Pang, I think you should know that Ms. Lee is a client who requires special attention. So? That's why the insurance company will definitely call her for an after-sales confirmation to make sure she understands the product details and the risks involved. But we have reason to believe that you coached her so that whenever she was asked any questions, she could answer clearly and correctly, and that was it.
I didn't do that. The reason she said that is because she really does understand everything clearly.
But that's what she told us. She said you coached her. Oh, so now you're accusing Ms. Lee of lying? Hey, Alex, hold her down.
I think she must have remembered it wrong. She's getting old and always mixes up what she says.
So if you think her memory is bad and she's old, then on what basis do you believe she could clearly understand all those complicated terms? Okay, fine. Let's just say Ms. Lee did understand everything clearly. I think you should know that elderly people usually prefer to look at hard copies. But after you received the insurance policy from the company, you didn't hand it over to her right away. Clearly, Ms. Lee was entitled to a 21-day cooling-off period to properly review this new life insurance policy, but you kept the hard copy to yourself the whole time. Why is that?
Hey, she already signed to confirm she received the policy. I asked her if she needed to look at it again, but she said she understood everything clearly, so that's why I kept it for her.
When did she say that? How did she say it? Where did she say it?
Hey, seriously, what's going on? Are you guys already assuming I taught her everything? Do you guys have any evidence? Are you saying you can sue me?
The insurance ordinance does give us the authority to issue licenses, conduct inspections, investigate, and take disciplinary action. The disciplinary committee will assess the credibility of both your testimony and Ms. Lee's, as well as how you handled this matter, to decide whether you can continue to hold your insurance intermediary license. Mr. Pang, I think you should know that if you lose this license, you won't be able to engage in any insurance sales activities. So, Mr. Pang, you should take this opportunity to provide more information to explain the situation. If you keep shifting the responsibility onto Ms. Lee, what do you think the panel will think?
I've already followed everything. I have nothing to add.
All right then. Then please hand over your phone. We need to check the call and message records between you and Ms. Lee.
Of course not. My phone has all my clients' confidential information. You think I can just give it to you because you asked?
This is a statutory notice issued to you under the insurance ordinance. You are required to provide all records, documents, and any assistance related to the investigation to the investigators from the insurance authority, that's us. Otherwise, it's against the law, unless you have a reasonable excuse. If we need to see it, you really have to hand it over.
Hey, the one I am communicating with my client on is another working phone that has not been updated. Take a look at it.
Could you please hand it in before 5 o'clock?
Mr. Pan Yi-jun,
What's the matter? I'm doing it in my own place. What do you care about?
you have your freedom, but I still have to let you know that if you destroy, alter, conceal, or handle in any other way any records or documents that you are supposed to submit to the investigator, that's a criminal offense.
Actually, even if you delete those messages, we can still recover them. But you still have to commit multiple sales records. I advise you to cooperate.
Scared. The insurance company will now examine your policy to see if anything inappropriate occurred when Pengxin handled it. But no matter what the outcome is, remember to carefully consider what kind of financial protection you need in the future and choose the coverage that best fits your personal goals and needs.
I understand clearly. Lately, I haven't been able to find Xianjun. Your investigation isn't giving him a hard time, right?
We won't give anyone a hard time. But it's best that you don't ask him to buy insurance in the future.
Why?
Because of him. Because he's always had his own agenda. He didn't clearly explain the insurance terms to you, and he even coaxed you into signing blank forms just so he could open a case for himself. So from now on, you really need to read everything carefully. If you don't understand, ask a few more people. Don't just trust one person completely.
Someone you trusted so much, turns out they always saw you as an easy mark. Don't you think it's really cruel to find that out?
Trust has a limit. I mean, if she didn't find out the truth this time, wouldn't she just get fooled again next time?
Trust doesn't need a quota. You can trust 100 people at once. Your aunt was just unlucky with money. But what if this hit is too much for her, and from now on she never trusts insurance or people again? Is that really good?
Maybe that's true.
So, as we just discussed, our annual premium is actually $25,000. In case you forget about the payment, we'll just go with automatic transfer. If everything's okay, just sign here on the last page and we're all set. Right here.
Sign here, right?
Yes, right here.
This is Chan Ka-shing. Hey, bro. Hey, they're my friends. This is Josie, and this is Yo-Yo. Josie just introduced Yo-Yo to be an insurance agent.
Insurance? Why didn't you tell me first? You scared me.
Aren't you usually not comfortable talking about this stuff?
Don't sign anything today. Let me take a look at it first when we get home.
Okay, bro. Actually, Ka-Shing is already an adult. He knows what he's doing.
Not necessarily. After all, you can't just trust anyone, right?
Tess.
Your little sister.
You two know each other?
I'm the older sister. Hi, I'm Josie's friend.
I'm Yo-Yo. Nice to meet you. Oh, so it was you.
So that's who you are to my little brother.
Your little brother. Last time he was in a rush, so we didn't really get a proper chance to meet each other.
Yeah.
Carson, right? Actually, do you know that if you don't really know someone well or don't understand them deeply, but you still want to go to their place, that's actually pretty dangerous, you know?
Aren't you usually pretty trusting of people?
Well, it really depends on what kind of person they are.